Hey everybody, so I wanted to do a full Uniswap tutorial. I know a few of you are still kind of trying to figure out Uniswap, don't totally know how to do it, so I want to run you through everything that you're going to need to do. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to metamask.io/download.html. You're going to want to click either the download here or install MetaMask for Chrome. Obviously, I already have it downloaded, but you would just click this button right here to get it downloaded. You would sign up, you would write down your recovery seed in a safe place, and I'll go through how you would actually buy from Uniswap. So now that you have your account, you'd click this button to copy your seed to the clipboard, withdraw from an exchange some Ethereum, send it into that account, and then you can go over to Uniswap right here. And any coin that you would want, you would just put the Ethereum right in here, and you would either go to the contract of the cryptocurrency, or if it's in here, you could easily do that. But I think looking up the contract would be a little bit easier. So you want to go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. CoinGecko might be a little bit more reputable, but I think CoinMarketCap is what a lot of people use. So I think we can use Kai as an example here, or actually I'll use USDT. So USDT, you just look that up, and then usually whatever the Etherscan is right here. So there's probably going to be multiple explorers. If there's just one, you're going to want to use this one, but if there's multiple, it's usually the first one. So just click right here. That is not the right one, so we're probably going to have to go try 2. And as soon as it says Etherscan up here, you know that you made it to the right one. You see the contract right here. Click copy address, go over here, and then you paste that address into here. And for this example, we want $100 worth of USDT. So we put 100 in there. And so you're going to want to confirm the swap. Unexpected error. Please contact support. None of the calls through an error. That is very weird. I do not know what happened. So we will try that once again. And let me paste that in here. You might notice that I have a little bit less brain than I used to. I've been moving them around, selling a little bit, so don't worry about that. Let's get 100. Let's see if we can do the swap now. Here we go, and then you will get this MetaMask notification. Usually you're gonna want to click edit right here, because usually this isn't really accurate, and you're gonna click this average and then click save, confirm, and transaction submitted. So you can click view on Etherscan. Sometimes it doesn't show up like it didn't here. Basically all you have to do is refresh, and it should show up like it does right there. We should see it appear in my wallet in no time, probably in a minute or so. And as soon as it's in your wallet, what are you going to want to do? So I have the 100 USDT, so you're going to want to click on this again, go to the contract, click copy, and then go over to MetaMask. And when you're on MetaMask, click assets, and then you can scroll down, add token, custom token, and then paste the contract address into here, and you would be able to click next, and it would add it for you if you haven't seen it on there already. And I think that's just about it for the entire Uniswap tutorial. It's pretty simple, but before I go, if you're interested in learning how to add liquidity, that's what I'm going to be showing now. So if you're not, you can click off, but if you are, keep watching. So we're going to pool that Ethereum and that USDT in a pool. So you go over to the app.uniswap.org and you click on the pool button over here, and you're going to want to click add liquidity. So you go over here, select a token, and we would paste the address like we did with a normal token, or you could look it up if you have it added. And you would want to put the max of the one that you want to deposit a lot of liquidity for. So right now we're going to deposit $50 worth of liquidity. So you need $50 in Ethereum or whatever you're adding liquidity to, and $50 in the other tokens. So we would click supply, confirm supply, and it's basically the same process as before. You would get the MetaMask notification, and you would be able to just put that through. But for some reason, my Uniswap and internet is being really slow right now. But it's basically the exact same process as if you were to buy some tokens off Uniswap. So if you want to actually see your pooled tokens, you would go back over here and click import it. So then you would click, like if I had USDT to ETH, I would click right here and it would say, oh yeah, you do have some liquidity. I would click confirm, and then you would be able to see it, how it's doing, and how much you have earned from it so far. So I think that's just about it for everything that you need to know for Uniswap. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Peace.